Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post market report. What a tragic market. This morning, as per the indication of GIFT Nifty, we were expecting for a gap up opening about more than 100 points in Nifty. But today, Nifty unexpectedly opened a little lower, about 30 points from day before yesterday's closing. Today in Indian market, there were many events. The elections in two states finished on yesterday. The exit poll came on yesterday evening. Then there is the charging of bribery from the US to Gautam Adani. And today Russia fires intercontinental ballistic missile to Ukraine. So due to all these things, not only the Indian market, US market, European markets, and most of the Asian markets are with negative sentiments right now. Today there was huge spike in the call option prices for today's expiry. The reason for the spike in call option was, the first reason is the tensions in the Indian market is due to the special reason today. The second reason is due to the margin call. From today onwards, as per the new rule by SEBI, the brokerages will charge additional 2% as margin for the weekly short positions in the future and options segment. So due to the margin call, many of the traders have been suffered. I too suffered today due to the bribery allegation. Adani Enterprises, Adani Green Energy, Adani Energy Solutions shares fell up to 25% in the early trading section, but the stocks could recover from day's low because the company, the Adani Group, came and clarified with regard to the bribery and they rejected the allegation. On today, about 2.2 lakh crores of market capitalization is wiped out from Adani Group. It also affected some of the PUC bank, which were the major lenders to Adani, like SBI, Bank of Baroda, and Punjab National Bank. And all these stocks fell about nearly 7% today. Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, SBI Life Insurance, Britannia, and SBI were some of the major losers on Nifty today. While gainers include Power Grid Corporation, Ultratech Cement, Hindalco Industries, Tata Steel, and Grasim Industries. Today, BSE mid-cap indices were down about 0.3%, and BSE small index was down about 0.5%. On the sectorial front, FMCG, energy, oil and gas, PSU bank, media, and metal were down to 1 to 2%, while reality index gained about 1% and Nifty IT gained about 0.5%. Today also we saw the rise in India VIX about 2.11%, and India VIX is now at 15.99. Tomorrow also there may be rise in India VIX because on Monday the elections results are coming. Like this market, it is very easy to lose money, but it is very difficult for the traders to make money. So we need to keep patience. Patience is the key to success. So that we have to keep in mind both the traders as well as the investors. Now let's check the major indices in India. Nifty 50 closed about 0.72% down. Sensex is down about 0.54% and Nifty Bank is down by 0.5%. Today, only 652 companies were towards the advanced mode, while 1,824 companies were towards the decline mode, while we check the advanced decline ratio in NSE. Vijaya Diagnostics, Indian Hotel, Fortis Healthcare, Nalco, and Federal Bank are some of the stocks which made its 52-week high today. Adani Enterprises, Adani Energy, Honasa, Adani Wilmar, CE Info System are some of the companies which touched its 52-week low today. Global markets, Dow Jones future is now trading with negative sentiments and is down about 0.05%. European markets are open now. FTSE, CXC and DAX, three of them are now trading with negative sentiments. When we come into the Asian markets, except Shanghai Composite, all the other markets are trading with negative sentiments, and most of the Asian markets are down about 0.5 to 1% due to the ballistic missile firing by Russia to Ukraine. The commodities are now trading with positive sentiments. Brent crude now trading above 1.4%, and crude oil is up about 1.56%, and gold is trading above 0.65%. Stock in news, Honasa company denies allegation of distributors over unsettled credit notes, unsold inventory. Indian hotels stock hits its all-time high, and the brokeraging agency Jefferies raises the target price. PSP project. This morning we saw that Adani Group is going to purchase about more than 30% stake in the company from the promoters. But due to the bad news in Adani Group, the stock fell about more than 9% today. Nika, Bank of America downgraded the stock to underperform from neutral, and the firm cut its target price to 150 from 225 rupees. Adani stocks, most of the Adani stocks fell about 20% today due to the bribery allegation against Gautam Adani. Indus Towers, Axis Capital initiates coverage on Indus Towers with ad, and it sees 7% upside in the stock. Paytm, international brokerage, Bernstein reaffirmed its bullishness on Paytm and hikes the target price to rupees 1000 per share. Disclaimer: please do not make any investment decisions based on my video because I am not a SEBI registered person. I am doing this video is for you and for me for educational purpose only. Hope all you got the information. Thanks for watching.